You ever feel like your faith is going on empty? I mean, the gauge of your life is just flatlining. You're just, living sloppy. Maybe you've lost your passion for Christ. Well, Jesus has a remedy for that. And in Revelation 2, he's talking to the church at Ephesus, and he has some really good things to say about them at first. And I'm sure Jesus has some really good things to say about you. I mean, he told these people in Ephesus, man, you guys are persevering. You guys aren't giving up. You're not growing weary. You're really dealing with evil people and people that are false apostles. And they were doing some good things. But those were all really sterile. They were just going through the motions of holding to the standards, but the passion had gone. The heart had gone. The tank that's full of God was really, they were just doing it in their own strength. Because Jesus said to them, you've done all these good things, but I have this against you. Now, whenever Jesus says, I have this against you, I think we need to be listening. He said, you've left your first love. You've really become lukewarm. And that's not a good place to be. So there's a 3-part remedy when our faith is lukewarm or flat or sloppy. It's 3 R's. First one is remember. Jesus says, remember from where you've fallen. Remember how good it was at first when you were in the Word, when you prayed, when you were faithful to church, when you couldn't help to tell people about Jesus, when it was like, oh, God's done so much for me. He says, remember that. Mental, remember that. And then repent. That's another mental word. Repent. Say, the Lord, the direction I've been headed is really not good. It's not healthy. It's really sloppy. And it's not full of passion for you. Forgive me. Remember, mental. Repent, mental. The third one is restore. That's where we put foot to ground, where we take the remembering and the repenting, and then we actually do something with it. Jesus says, do the deeds you did at first. So those things you remembered, start doing them. Be faithful. Be in the Word. Share the truth. Fall back in love with Jesus. Man, he's going to be there. His arms are always open wide, and he's always ready. He's the same yesterday, today, and forever. And he calls us to remember, to repent, and restore. If you do those things, you see God working, give me a shout, write to me, connect with me on social media, let me know how it's going. All right? Blessings to you. Have a great day.